Oh shit! Hey, what's up, Squids? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. So it's been a little over a year since I started posting videos to YouTube. Now, if you've been around for any length of time, you know I don't consider myself a YouTuber. I'm just a guy making dumb home movies and posting them to YouTube. So I want to tell you a little bit about my experience on YouTube so far. But before I do that, I need to make a quick stop at the UPS store. I gotta drop a package off for Amazon. Alright, that part is over. Let's get cracking. Now, where was I before I was so rudely interrupted by UPS stop? Right, my experiences. So it's been a little over a year I've been making these videos. I started in May of 2021, and I also started writing a little before of May 2021. So it's now July. I've been writing a little over a year, and I've been making these videos a little over a year. And my experiences so far has been pretty interesting. I have no complaints. I will say that this hobby can get a little expensive. Now, when I first started, I probably took this hobby a little too serious. I was obsessed with clicks and likes and shares and views. But what brought me back to reality was when winter came in and I wasn't able to ride and post videos. I live in the northeast of Pennsylvania, and we get some serious winters up here, and it could put you out of riding for like 5 to 6 months. So it's been about that long since I posted a video in that time. Could have been like 6 months or so. So that brought me back to reality. I had to take some time off from posting videos, and I actually got to relax a little bit. Took some much needed rest from YouTube, and that shit brought me back to reality real fast. Like I said, I became obsessed with YouTube and my clicks and my likes and my views. And after taking so much time off, I was like, screw it. Also, I was obsessed with other channels, especially channels that started around the same time I started. I would watch them grow, and I'd be like, man, these channels are growing, but mine isn't growing. I really need to focus a little bit more. I need to step my A game up. Look at how good these channels are doing. And I kept comparing myself to other channels, other small channels. I think that's where my biggest problem came. I'm a little hard on myself, and I'm always trying to improve. I'm always trying to learn new tricks and techniques to make myself a little better than the other guy. And after taking that 5 months off, it all started coming together. I'm like, man, this is just a hobby. Why am I taking this so hard? Why am I taking this so serious? It's not a job. I'm not making money from this. I need to relax a little, man, and take a deep breath. This is ridiculous. And that's exactly what I did. After I came back, I made the 2022 Lowrider S video. And I said, you know what, I'm going to take it easy from here. I don't even care what the other channels are doing anymore. I don't care how my channel is doing. I mean, sometimes I still focus on it a little bit, especially if I'm not getting any views. I haven't been able to get out to make the videos I really want to make, and that has been a little depressing. If there's any advice I can give to you as a new creator on this platform is, if you come here looking for money, if you come here looking for views, you might want to take a step back, especially if you come here looking to make money. It may be even years if you ever make money off YouTube. If you come here looking for fame, You have to be really good to make it really good, really fast, and make money really fast on this platform. But outside of that, if you come here looking to have fun, it's just a hobby. Think of it as a hobby first and a business after, and you'll go really far on this platform. See if you can collaborate with other YouTubers. I've tried collaborating with other YouTubers, but my schedule is a little messed up. I haven't been able to do that. I haven't been able to get out to collaborate with other YouTubers. I'm just trying now to make a couple of videos and have some fun doing it. Now, YouTube as a hobby can get pretty expensive. For me, I started buying a whole bunch of equipment to try to make my channel better. When I say equipment, I don't mean equipment for my bike. I see a lot of people buying extra add-ons and everything to their bike to try to make more videos. Like people buy exhaust install video, 131 install video. Really expensive projects just to try to add content to the channel. I guess that worked, but I found myself buying camera equipment. I found myself invested in camera equipment, microphone equipment to make better audio, camera equipment to give you a better visual. I haven't invested any money in software, but mostly hardware when it comes to cameras and recording and equipment like that. I hope to be on this platform making videos for as long as I can. It's been a lot of fun. I've had my ups and downs. I usually take winters off because, you know, whatever choice do I have. I could probably make talking head videos, but I never found myself very good at that. I like getting on the bike, riding, and not having a video script out for me. I just jump on the bike and ad-lib as I go. If there's another piece of advice I could give to new vloggers is don't stress your comment section. You're gonna get negative comments, you're gonna get positive comments. There are some people who don't even read their comments because they can't handle the negative comments. If you're one of those people, don't read the comments. Me particularly, I don't give a shit. I'm too old to even care what people think. I read the comments. If it's a comment that is a constructive criticism or if it's a positive comment, I'll reply. But if you're just negative Nancy bashing on me, well, I probably just won't reply. I won't delete it. I won't delete that comment. I just won't respond to it. Of course you're gonna get a ton of down votes. Not every video is gonna reach everybody the same way. Not everybody's gonna like your video. Not everybody's gonna like you. That's just the reality of it. You will find your people. I will find my people. Don't stress over it. Just do the best you can. Keep learning. Keep growing, keep striving. You will meet your people. I stopped caring last year after I took that time off, and I just started making the videos with more attention to detail to try to make them better. I don't want to put out crappy videos. I mean, not every video is going to be a successful video. Not every video is going to be perfect. Not every video is going to have the topic everybody wants to listen to or hear. But they say make the videos that make you happy and you will succeed. That is true. My videos are crappy, but I'm trying to get better at making the videos. So it's not like I'm not trying. You can see in every video there is a bit of improvement. I mean, I'm a slow guy when it comes to improvement, but at least I try to improve. I'm not a Peter McKinnon, so my videos aren't going to be perfect, and even him, it took him a while before he even got really good at making videos. It's all about time. I mean, and I goddamn suck, and even I am starting to get a little better at the editing and the talking and the dialogue. Even when I go back and watch my older videos, I can see the improvement. So don't stress it. Don't stress the downvotes. Don't stress the comments. Your videos will get better. My videos will get better. If we're consistent, we'll all get better over time, so don't stress it. Don't focus too much on your analytics. They will only make you depressed. But try to put out decent videos, and you won't have to worry about your analytics. Once you know your video is decent, like decent content, interesting content, funny content, educational content, that kind of content gets views, gets subscribers. gets likes. Trust me, I know I have a lot of boring content on my channel. If anybody has boring content on their channel, it's me. So trust me when I say I know. But I'm not worried about it because this is not for a living. This is just a hobby. I'm just having fun. And every day, like I said, every day is an improvement. I've been improving on the editing. So I'm getting better at editing. So every time I bring out a crappy video, is one more video that gets me better at editing. So don't stress it and you'll be good. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. Try to make it short. So man, if you made it this far into the video, thank you all for watching. I want to thank all my subscribers, all those people passing through and giving me likes, all those shares, whatever you do. I appreciate you all the shout outs I've been getting. Well, I only got like 2 shout outs, but I appreciate every shout out. Hey, Mike Check Moto, I appreciate you, buddy. I appreciate you shouting me out. I appreciate all you guys, man, for all the comments, the likes, the subscribes, all that good stuff you guys do. I appreciate it all. So I want you to keep your eyes on the swivel, man. Keep the sticky side down, the shiny side up, guys. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace!